What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you this house with ceiling fans. Let's go on in. In this first room we have a 52-inch Hunter Stratford. Here's the light. I'm going to go through all the speeds on these fans, so we'll and then in the living room we have a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Centerville. In the kitchen we have a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Armitage. Odd place for a fan, but this is where it's been placed. And then in the pantry we have a 36-inch Harbor Breeze Typhoon. Wrong chain. Alright, now that's spinning down. Here's the light. And then in the dining room we have another 52-inch Hunter Stratford. In this room we have a rainbow fan. I'm not sure what the name of this fan is, but all I know it's a rainbow fan. In the bathroom we have a Heritage Hugger, which I don't know which one's the light. There we go. And I will do an update video when all these fans get replaced and the walls get painted. This house is due for a remodel, so I'm going to replace all these doors with functioning doors, and then the walls. Alright. In the garage we have a 56-inch Hampton Bay Industrial. I'll put the same exact fan in here, it's just I'm going to revamp it a little bit. So here's the control for that. And then if we go upstairs, in the stairwell we have a 52-inch Hampton Bay Holly Springs. In this bedroom we have a 52-inch Hampton Bay Cameron, which I don't know why it's pink, but yeah. It's like that. Then down this hallway we have a 52-inch Grayton, a Hampton Bay Grayton. In this room we have a 42-inch Hampton Bay Montgomery. And we'll come back. In the master bedroom we have a 42, no, this is a 52-inch Hampton Bay Lyndhurst. Over here in this section we have a 52-inch Glendale by Hampton Bay. In this alcove area we have this SMC Laguna. Now I don't know why the motor is doing that, but I'll keep this fan in the update because it's a good fan. And I'll get rid of this inner part. So yeah, there's the SMC Laguna. Then in this bathroom we have a 44-inch Hunter Stratford, or this might be an Auberville. Yeah, I think it's an Auberville. Alright. And then we'll come back to this one. In this bathroom we have a Hampton Bay Minuet 3. And then down this hallway we have another Heritage Hugger. This is the rainbow kind. And then and finally this bedroom, we have 2 Hampton Bay Medillies. And we'll start with low. That thing's got a fast low. Medium speed. Excuse me. High speed. God dang it. The capacitor on this one is dying. I'm not gonna bother to show spin down, but that's all that's in this house. Yeah, be sure to like and subscribe down below, and I will come up with another video of this house in the future. Bye, guys.